stop paddling for a minute. I can hear Anita.
I think we're Laurel and Hardy.
Yes, that way.